back. So today I'm going to be showing you
this beautiful Dollar Tree inspired candle holder. So if you're interested in seeing how I create this, just keep on watching. I'm going to be using this floral foam that I picked up from Dollar Tree and just using it for my base. Guys, these are the wood pieces that I'm going to be using. Now, these are from the Dollar Tree and they're found in the kids section. Now, I had already spray painted them and I do apologize for not filming that so that you can see the packaging on them. But you can find them in the kids section at Dollar Tree. I'm just going to take my hot glue gun and just glue the pieces on. Okay guys, I'm going to be going in with this white paint that I picked up from Walmart. Okay everybody, so I have decided to add a border. So I am going to just glue that down now. I think I'm also going to add a layer along the bottom as well. Alright guys, so now I'm going to take my iridescent jewels and just apply them. Here I have added a glass that I picked up from the Dollar Tree and I think it looks so beautiful like this. I think I'm going to use it like this, guys.
Alright,
what do you guys think?
That's all that I have today. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this little video. If you have, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell as well as giving this video a big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.